Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing a horizontal ellipse to define the cylinder's top. This gives the perspective. Once done, draw a straight vertical axis from its center to set the height and avoid a skewed form. Then, at the axis bottom, draw a second ellipse of the same width for the base. Make sure its minor axis aligns directly under the top's minor axis. You're establishing proportion and perspective, so the body will now connect the far left and right points of the top and bottom ellipses with vertical lines to form the barrel. This locks the silhouette. You should refine the ellipses so the front arc reads solid and visible, while the back arc is lighter or broken, which helps sell depth. Next, pick a light source and lightly map where the highlight and core shadow will fall along the side. Doing that early guides believable shading and rim light. Finish by building values. Lay down midtones around the midsurface, deepen the core shadow where the cylinder turns away from light, and add a thin rim highlight on the illuminated edge to separate it from background. Use directional strokes that wrap around the form to imply curvature. Blend softly while keeping ellipse edges crisp. If the cylinder looks lopsided, stop and tweak the axis or ellipse widths now. Correcting structure beats repainting later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.